Question and answer. Assalamualaikum. This video is to explain question and answer from your friends under inverse trigonometric function, under chapter 1. Okay, this is the question. Evaluate sec inverse sine sec 2 over 3 minus inverse cot sec 2. Okay, so how to evaluate this using triangle method? Okay, first we let the first inverse trigo function equals to A. Okay, so our A equals to inverse sine sec 2 over 3. So yang ni betul. Okay, and then B equals to the second inverse trigo function which is inverse cot sec 2. Okay, yang ni pun betul. And then from here, we need to move inverse sine to left hand side. So we get ordinary sine A equals to sec 2 over 3. Yang ni betul. And then yang ni move inverse cot to left hand side. So we get ordinary cot B equals to sec 2. Sec 2 here means sec 2 over 1. Okay. Yang ni pun betul. And then since cot B is a reciprocal function for tangent B, so we can write tangent B equals to 1 over sec 2. Okay. We exchange numerator and denominator from cot B. Right? Yang ni pun betul. Okay. And then yang sini tadi, yang daripada angle A, yang daripada A tadi. Okay. From sine A equals to sec 2 over 3, then we can draw a right angle triangle. Okay. We already have two sides. Okay. From here, we have sec 2 equals to opposite because this is sine. 3 ni adalah hypotenuse. So we can find the third side using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So ni formula dia. So dapatlah sec 7. Yang ni pun betul. Okay. And then yang ni pula, we already have two sides from here. 1 over sec 2. 1 means opposite. Sec 2 equals to adjacent because this is tangent. And then we need to find hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, kalau nak cari hypotenuse, tengah-tengah dia kena tambah sebab dia paling panjang. Okay, so dapatlah sec 3. Yang ni pun betul. And then from here, we can find other trigo ratios daripada right angle triangle yang dah ada all three side ni. Okay, since the given question in terms of sec, so we just need to find sin A and cos A. Alright, so daripada sini, sin A equals to sec 2 over 3. Okay. So, sec 2 ialah opposite, 3 adalah hypotenuse. Tapi sebenarnya dah ada kat sini tadi. Okay. Ini betul. And then cos A sepatutnya. Tertinggal ni. Cos A equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. So, sec 7 over 3. Okay. And then yang ni pula, from B here, okay, from angle B here, we have sin B. Okay, sin B equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So, 1 over sec 3, betul. And cos B equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Sec 2 over sec 3. Ini tertinggal sec. Okay. And then, yang ni back to the given question ni tadi. So, we replace inverse sine sec 2 over 3 equals to A. And then minus, we replace inverse cot sec 2 equals to B. Okay, yang ni masih lagi ada sec. Okay, yang ni pun betul. Alright. Okay, yang cos ni tadi tertinggal A. So, ni patutnya cos A equals to sec 7 over 3. Okay. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Yang ni cos B patutnya sec 2 over sec 3. Adjacent kita sec 2. Tertinggal sec. Alright. Okay, now we back to the given question. Evaluate sec inverse sine sec 2 over 3 minus inverse cot sec 2. Okay. We let inverse sine sec 2 over 3 equals to A and let inverse cot sec 2 equals to B. So we can write like this. Okay, equals to set, this is A, and then minus, this is B in bracket. Okay. Since sec is a reciprocal function for cos, so we can write like this. Equals to 1 over cos, and then angle A minus B. Okay. Some students write like this. Okay. 1 over cos, and then in bracket A minus B. But this is wrong. Okay. So please be careful because this is actually very common mistake. Alright. So please don't ever write like this. Okay. The angle must be beside the trigo function. Alright. Okay. Then from here, we can use difference angle identity for cos. So we can write 1 over cos A cos B plus. If in between is minus and the trigo here is cos, so in between here is plus. Okay. So after we use trigo identity formula for difference angle, so we get this cos A minus B equals to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay. Then we recall back. We have sin A equals to sec 2 over 3. Okay, cos A equals to sec 7 over 3. And then we have sin B equals to 1 over sec 3. And cos B equals to sec 2 over sec 3. Okay, so we substitute here. Okay, so we have 1 over. We replace cos A equals to sec 7 over 3 times cos B equals to sec 2 over sec 3. And then plus sin A equals to sec 2 over 3 and then times sin B equals to 1 over sec 3. Okay. Since we have fraction times fraction, so we just multiply straight. Okay. We multiply top and we multiply bottom and bottom. Okay. So we get this. Okay. 1 over, after we multiply this sec 7 times sec 2, okay, we can combine the value insert, okay, because in between here is multiplication operation. So we have sec and then 7 times 2, so equals to sec 14, and then 3 times sec 3 equals to 3 sec 3, and then plus sec 2 times 1 equals to sec 2, 3 times sec 3 equals to 3 sec 3, right? And after that, we have same denominator here. So we can combine the denominator. So we get this equals to 1 over sec 14 plus sec 2. And then we combine the denominator over 3 times sec 3. Okay. And then if we have 1 over fraction, so we can move 3 sec 3 up here. Okay. So we have final answer equals to 3 sec 3 over sec 14 plus sec 2. Okay, we cannot combine sec here because in between here is plus. Okay, we only can combine if in between is multiplication. Alright, so this is the final answer for this question. Alright, got it? Alright, this is the final answer. Okay, how to check this answer, whether this answer is correct or wrong? Okay, let's say we use symbollab.com. Okay, this is the syntax for this question. Sec and then inverse sign is arc sine, and then sec 2 over 3 minus arch cos sec 2, and after that we press enter, so we get this. Okay. Tapi nilai yang ni nampak macam tak serupa dengan yang ni. Okay, tapi dia ada bagi in terms of decimal. Okay, so to check whether this answer is correct or wrong, so kita boleh guna simbol lab lagi sekali. Okay, tapi kita calculate nilai yang ni. 3 sec 3 over sec 14 plus sec 2. Then we press enter. After we press enter, dapat decimal kita yang ni. Okay. And then kita tengok ni kita punya dalam bentuk decimal untuk nilai yang ni. Okay. Yang ni dapat sama. Okay. So means that untuk jawapan yang ini betul. Right? Got it? Okay, this is the complete solution for this question. Okay. First step, we let the first inverse trigo equals to A, and we let the second inverse trigo equals to B, and then we can change to ordinary trigo. Okay, after that we can draw a right angle triangle and find all three sides. Then we can find another trigo ratios. Okay, after that we back to the given question and we write in terms of A and B, and then we use trigonometric identity to expand set 1 minus b. Okay, then we get this, and then we substitute the values of cos A, cos B, sin A, and sin B. After that we simplify, then we get this. Okay, this is the final answer. Alright, got it? Thank you. Bye. Assalamualaikum.